Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you unboxing of Orient Electric Ujala Plus 1200 energy savings 3 blade ceiling fan. This is a brown one and we have purchased it from Flipkart. Friends, this fan costs around 1350 rupees to 1500 rupees based on time and based on discount. It's available in two variants, one is white and another is brown. It is from Orient Electric, which is a very famous brand. So we thought of getting it, and it's a bestseller product having more than 10,000 reviews, 10,000 ratings. So uh, I'll be providing you the link in description. Please check that out. And now we are trying to unpack this fan. So we are just cutting that cover with a scissor. So friends, now we have cutted it. We'll try to unbox it now. This fan will consume power of 50 watt and having motor speed of 330 rpm. The blade sweep size is 1200 mm. Airflow is 7770 cfm. Number of speed setting is 4 and material is aluminium. You can see the manual and the other items are packed very nicely inside this box. So Orient have packed it very nicely, and it also having 10 days of replacement guarantee, replacement policy, and also it will give you a warranty card also, which is like if you have any issues you can reach out to Orient for the replacement or repairing kind of thing. So it is having a warranty also. Now let us open each of the items one by one. So we are trying to bring whatever was inside. So it looks like this is the phone blade. So it is really packed very nicely, so that nothing goes wrong with the product, because it's electronic product and it has to have proper packaging. So Orient has done a decent job here. The total dimensions, if I talk about, it is like box height will be 18 centimeters, box length will be 53.9 centimeters, box width will be 26.8 centimeters, and weight will be 2.65 kg. So around 3 kg you can say. So that is the about box size. And for warranty, it is having like domestic warranty of 2 years, and you will get that warranty card inside. So for warranty service type, you need to call to a toll free number, which is 1800 103 7574, and you need to raise a complaint and request. Then technician will visit your home and take that replacement or repair kind of things, whatever is applicable. So that's the thing for warranty. And other information, like it is a made in India product, made in Haryana. You can see inside this box all the parts of the fan has been provided. So this is the main part of the fan, which is that round circle one is there, and this is to hang the fan. So all these items are properly packaged so that nothing goes wrong. So I am not an expert or not an electrician, but I'll take a help of some electrician to get this assembled. However, all these items has been delivered to us with utmost care. So this is the warranty card, which is having the details also where we can contact for warranty and all. So which is also kept inside. We need to keep this card safely so that we can make use of it when times comes, when it is needed. So it shows the service center details also. So you can see there is service center in Haryana, New Delhi, Punjab, it's in West Bengal, Odisha. So different places it is there. One thing I would like to tell you guys, this delivery was very fast. Within 24 to 48 hours you'll get your delivery. So now let's try to open the packet of the blades. So we'll cut the solar tips and then we'll see how the blades are of the fan. So we are now going to cut this sellotape with the scissor. So let's cut it now, and after cutting this we shall open this box and see what is there inside. So what I am expecting inside, we shall be having the blades of the blades of the fan. So here are all the blades. See, here are all the blades of the fan. It looks pretty good, and the color and all material, everything looks good. So we need to assemble it with the fan. So these are the blades. So I think we have shown you all the items whatever we got from this Flipkart delivery. So we are having the service warranty card, and we are having all the equipments, all the parts of the fan which is needed for assembling it. Let me show you how it will look in Flipkart app when you try to purchase this fan. So let's see this. So this is how it will be in Flipkart app. So when I purchased, it was 1572 rupees, but the price will vary from time to time. You might get it in a big discount also. So purchase it from Flipkart. Please check the link in the description section. Thanks for watching this video guys. Bye bye.